welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be working on day 8 of my December daily. For this layout, I am talking all about our fun new festive Christmas mugs. They were a gift from my oldest son. I love having my coffee in it every morning. They're so beautiful, and I love the red on white, and it says Mr. and Mrs. Claus. And for today's layout, I'll be working on the back side with 4 3x4s of this plastic page. Both of the 3x4 cards are from Ellie Studio. I thought the bright red and white Joy to the World really matched the cups nicely. And I have a shot of my husband and I together and a picture of the cups by themselves. And the number that I chose to use is the gold number 8 from last year. I loved them so much I had to get some more. I usually collect anything with snowmen on it, so all of my mugs to this point have had snowmen, so I'm really enjoying this new cup. And I really like the layout I already picked for my foundation pages. I end up putting our photo underneath the number 8, just a fun little interactive element. And I love the large numbers, so I take out my date stamper in red. And now I'm just looking for a couple different stickers to put around. The stickers that I chose have mostly the color reds. I thought this little asterisk was cute. And then I pick a nice kind of text sticker, and it matches the cups really nicely and fills in that white spot. And the last thing I need is a text sticker to go into this little spot. I go ahead and slip in all my other cards and call them finished. And then I pull out my Ellie Studio sticker sheet and find something in red and fill in that space. And the one I end up picking is the beautiful, perfectly sized label, and it says Deck the Halls. And the last sticker that I pick is a tiny little coordinating red heart. So I'm going to put this right on the photo with my husband and I, and it kind of ties everything in together. And that's everything for day 8. I go ahead and I slip all my cards back into the pockets. I love how all the reds work together. And my big number 8 is on a clear transparency. It's actually a laminating sheet from the dollar store, and it's more of a heavier, hefty clear transparency, and I use them everywhere. I actually used it in my Wrapping All the Way layout. This was a prep day layout, and the window above the wrapping paper is also that clear transparency laminating sheet. I don't use the sticky side, I just use the other one. This was a really fun tutorial. I just took samples of my wrapping paper, and if you pull up on the tab, it basically shows the samples and then up to your wrapped gifts and a picture of the gifts that were wrapped. And I basically talk about how I have over 35 rolls and I love collecting wrapping paper. So I will see you next time for day 9, and it will be this beautiful large 6x8 on the left side and this heart. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.